guys, so I am here to show you guys what came in my Boxycharm box. Most of you are familiar with Boxycharm. It's a subscription that you can get every month for $21 a month. Once you can get off of that waiting list, because that waiting list is a little crucial. But once you get off, the box is definitely worth it. What else was I going to tell you guys? I never go online to look at anybody else's video to see what they got in their box. I don't cheat. I like to be surprised. I won't go on their website to see what may be in here. So I'm always excited when I open up one of my subscription boxes because I literally do not know what's in here. So let me get this open. I have my scissors and I am ready to see what was in here, what is in here this month. The last 2 months have been awesome. I love Boxycharm box so far, and I just think their subscription is definitely worth it. So okay, so the first thing I see when I open it, it says extra U, extra glitter, extra shimmer, a little card, 20% off your next purchase on coverx.com. And then so basically I guess the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. Looks like that, and it tells you what is in here and what the prices are for each item. Ooh, I see a few things. I don't want to keep reading it, but I see some stuff that I'm like, ooh, that's in here. Okay, so let me get this. Ooh, I keep saying ooh. Okay, so let me sit it down. The first thing I see is Shimmer Veil by Cover FX, and let me tell you, a pearlescent cream. I think that's how you say it. Perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So this item is worth retail value $28. Suitable for all skin types. Formulated with a weightless finish and for a shimmering effect. I remember seeing this on, ooh, that is so pretty. I remember seeing an advertisement for this on Instagram and I thought it was beautiful, but I didn't know I was getting this. Oh my God, and it's purple and pink. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my God, look at that shimmer and the purples in that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I will definitely be putting this on as like an eyeshadow. It says to use on eyelids and it lasts all day and won't crease or transfer. That color is beautiful. So I am already happy with this. Like it said, it was retail for $28. So just think your $21 that you're spending for your subscription has already just purchased you this one item. Okay, so now what else is in here? I have Pure by Pure Cosmetics. It's Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. I don't need a lip plumper, but it's an exfoliator, so that's good, and it retails for $17. I love the Pure brand, their company. They have some really nice items. It says with an instant boost of shea butter, ooh, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes, using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, plump lip. I love to exfoliate, and it's crazy because when I was in CVS the other day, there was a new exfoliator pencil kind of like this. Oh, I can't remember the brand. I can't remember who. I'll put it on the screen as I'm editing this. I'll put it on the screen who it was made by, and I almost purchased that, and I'm happy I didn't because they sent this. So this looks like this. It's just a white like crayon, and ooh, okay. So just even me rubbing this on the back of my hand, I can feel the sugar beads in here. Oh, it feels so nice. And it doesn't have a smell. And you guys are probably going to think I'm crazy, but I have to kind of see what it tastes like. Tastes like sugar. I know that was weird, but it's made with sugar and you exfoliate your lips, it's gonna get in your mouth. So I just had to see, and it just tastes like sugar. So I'm happy, very, very happy with this. Like I said, I like that company anyway, so that's definitely a good thing. Okay, so the next thing is, it says Vintage Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. Looks like that. And I could never have too many eyeliners in jet black. That is my thing. I love black eyeliner. So Vintage Cosmetics, it says it's a smoky eye pencil, retail for $21. It says Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So let's just see how good this glides. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, really, really nice. Definitely jet black, and I like it. I like it. Like that. It wasn't really, it's not like a gel formula. Sometimes the gel formulas can get in my eye and it makes my eyes water. So for this to be like just the regular kind of like crayon type of, you know what I'm trying to say, I just like that better. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out, ooh, is a set. It's three crown brushes. A 3-piece pro brush trio. Let's pull out the biggest one right here, and they are so cute. Really, really soft. Oh my goodness. And this one looks like that. Really nice and big, and I love that it has the indent on the thing for your finger to actually fit right in there. So as you're working, your finger fits right on that groove. And let me tell you about these brushes. Those 3 brushes retail for $29.99. Use this 3-piece pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium size brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face, and finally the larger brush can be used to set everything in place. So I got these 3 brushes in here by Crown, and I also like Crown. I think the first box that I got had a Crown brush in it, and I still use that, so I'm happy with that. Okay, oh, what is this? Okay, let me open this first. So this one is it says Ofra Blush Winter Rose Glow. Use in palettes and kits. Okay, so let's see. So this is a pop-up. Okay, I'm confused. It says 2 things on here. Pop-up palette. Okay, so there's 2 items in here. So I saw this, and then, oh, okay. Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it. Okay, so then I saw this. And this is basically a container for me to take this out. A mini, let me see, it says Rose Glow. So this is a blush. So it looks like this. And it comes like that. And then what you do, basically they sent you the container that it can pop into. It's like kind of like a magnet. So if I wanted to purchase more of these, I can fill up this and have my own palette of the colors that I choose. So that's what that is, and they just stay inside of there. That is so cool. Super cool. It fits in here perfectly, and that is super cute. I may have to check out their website and see what else they have that will fit in there. And yeah, so that is the color. Really pretty. Really pretty, and it was really creamy and smooth. So that is the blush that they sent. So that is it for what came inside. Ooh, and you guys look, I was messing with this purple one and it's already set. Like it's dry, not moving. So, and it said it lasts all day, so I can't wait to play in that. So that is it for my Boxycharm box, you guys. Thank you all for watching and coming to see what was in here. I think they send, see, I know Ipsy will send different, depending on your profile, they'll send different stuff to different people. I have to start watching Boxycharm videos because I'm not sure if they send everybody the same thing or if there's like 2 or 3 different things in people's boxes. That's what I don't know. I don't know that. I'm going to have to research that. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye.